Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On our previous video I taught you how to carve your brows, a beginner friendly on how to carve your brows yourself. On this video I'm going to teach you how to draw brows using Davis pencil, just Davis pencil and your spoolie brush. That's what I'm going to use. For those of you that don't know how a Davis pencil look like, okay, this is a Davis pencil. Can you see it? This is how it looks like. Number 18, we have number 3 for this pencil. So this is how it looks like, and here's my spoolie brush. So I'll be working with just this tool to draw my brows. For those of you that are not a makeup artist, who love to do makeup at home, maybe if you have maybe a party, church and the rest, you can just use a Davis pencil to draw your brows without doing any paparazzi and the rest. So stay tuned. The first step is this: you sharpen your pencil gently. Make sure it's always very sharp this way. Can you see it? Then you take your spoolie brush up, you brush it up this way, and using your pencil from the middle, here's the middle of my brows. Can you see it? From the middle you sketch. Don't draw, you sketch. This is how I sketch my brows. From the middle I just sketch it. Backward, then from the middle again I'm going to sketch it forward. Now using a faint line because I love my brows to look very natural. Can you see the line? Can you see the straight line? That's it. So the next step, I'm going to repeat the same process for the upper part of my brows. From the middle I'm just going to sketch. To create my arc, once I get to this part, I'm just going to take it down. Can you see it? Can you see it? So from the middle again, I'm going to sketch it forward. So my lines are perfect, as you can see. So I'm just going to fill the brows gently, slightly, using same Davis pencil. But before that, I'm going to use my spoolie brush to brush my hairs up. So I'll fill the brows now gently. As you can see, my pencil is not sharp again, so I'm just going to sharpen it because I normally love my brows strokes on the outer part of it. So I'm just going to make my pencil very sharp. See, it's sharpened, and I'm just going to stroke it up. So this is it. I'm going to repeat the same process for the other part of my brows. From the middle again, So I'm just going to fill in the brows. Gently. The pencil is down again, so I will just sharpen it. Okay, so this is it. This is just it. This is it, guys. So on our next video, I'm going to teach you how you can conceal your brows to define it so it can pop, so it can be well beautiful and so shiny, well defined. Okay, stay tuned.